Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can watch YouTube on PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the homepage in the PlayStation 5. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your games and applications. Right here, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library, where you're gonna find all of your games. So if you go here to the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find two sections, games and also media. So basically guys, if you want to watch YouTube, just go ahead and click on media. And then once you do that, you're gonna be here in this page. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your media applications, and right here you're gonna find YouTube. So basically guys, if you don't find YouTube right here, just go to all apps, and then right here you're gonna find all of the available applications. So right here you're gonna find Disney Plus, Netflix, Prime Video, Twitch, Apple TV, and here in this list you're gonna find YouTube, Twitch, and so on. So just go ahead and click on YouTube, and then you're gonna be right here. So basically guys, just go to the search bar, and then you can search for any video that you want, or you can just go to the home page and explore for videos. So you can also go here to the top and add your account. Just go ahead and click on add account, and then you can just scan the QR code, or you can just type your account's credentials. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.